Alrighty, question number 5 from last night's homework. We were told two positive numbers. I've just labeled them first and second. X is the first, Y is the second. We are told that the second number is the reciprocal of the first. By the way, the first is also then the reciprocal of the second. And we are asked that the minimum, we were to minimize the sum, that the sum of the two numbers is minimized. So this is the one we want to take the derivative of. So I'm going to go ahead and just give it a name. I've made up that F out of nowhere. You can use S for sum if you want. I don't feel strongly about it. This is the one I want to take the derivative. This is the first derivative test function, but there's two variables. So I'm going to substitute out. Y is 1 over x, so I'm going to put in 1 over x. Then F is a function of one variable. Yeah, okay. From here, again, if you want to do the quotient rule on that term, you can. I am choosing to think of it as a power rule. Just seems easier to me. The derivative. Derivative of x is 1, power rule, negative x to the negative second. 1 minus 1 over x squared. Clearly undefined at 0, but other than that, we don't get any other critical numbers. So from undefined, this will be a critical number when the derivative is equal to 0 though. So we are going to set the derivative equal to 0 and solve. How do we solve this? Well, we solve this with math. It's a nice proportion. You cross multiply and solve. X is plus or minus 1. We were told though it's a positive number only, so just the value of 1. This does not automatically make it our answer. We need to make sure that this minimizes the sum. So we're going to do our first derivative test. Positive numbers only. 1 to infinity. Okay, so I'm going to put in 1/10 or 0.1, and I'm going to put in 1,000. Put them in where? Into the first derivative. I'll use this version of the first derivative. It seems easiest to work with. If I fill in 1/10, 1/10 squared is 1/100th. 1 over 1/100th is 100. This is 1 minus 100. That is negative. Taking 1,000 and filling it back in up here, this is 1 minus 1 over 1,000 squared, which is 1/1,000,000th. 1 minus 1/1,000,000th is positive. So F stood for the sum. F prime was negative, F prime was positive, so F, the sum, is decreasing, then increasing. We have minimized. So our answer is going to be when x is 1, the reciprocal is also 1, your two numbers, 1 and 1. There you have it.